Palisade Fence by CDH Custom Roll Form. Lay out the center of the posts at 96-inch intervals. Dig or drill holes at each post location. Post footing diameter shall be 4 times the largest cross-section of the post and a minimum depth of 36 inches. The front side of the I-beam post is identified by the oblong rail to post connection. Set posts in a vertical position, plumb and in line. Post spacing shall measure 96 inches center of post to center of post at grade. Set I-beam posts in concrete, minimum 3000 psi. Orient each rail so the pre-drilled holes are facing the protected side or exterior of the property. The hand stab point should be facing upwards. Align oblong holes at the end of the rail with the oblong holes located along the flange of the I-beam post. Secure each rail end to post with straight connecting plate, or fish plate, and provided M12 bolts and nuts. Finger tighten each security fastener connection until everything is in place. Tighten each connection until the bolt head breaks away, ensuring the anti-tamper feature is in place. Once all rails are installed, position picket so that its flat back is against the rails with reinforced ridges facing away from the rail. Position the picket vertically level and orient so that the punched holes align with the punched holes along the rail. Finger tighten each picket to rail with M8 bolts and nuts. Once all rail to post fasteners and all pail to rail fasteners are in place, tighten each connection until the bolt head breaks away. Place the post cap in the opening. Please visit cdhrollform.com for more information and product submittals.